In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sizes on your Big Cartel website. This is an essential skill for anyone managing an online store, as it allows you to offer your products in various sizes, providing your customers with a better shopping experience and increasing your potential sales. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Big Cartel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, the starting point for today is your Big Cartel dashboard. This is the control center where you manage everything from products to orders, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page if you haven't already. Next, from your dashboard, locate and click on the Products tab. This area houses all of your existing products and is where you can update details or add new items. Being well organized here can make managing your store much easier down the line. Inside the product section, look for the option to add product. Clicking this will bring you to a new page where you can begin the process of adding a new item to your store. It's an excellent opportunity to brainstorm as you're filling in this section because the details you provide here will directly impact how your customers perceive your products. With the new product page open, start filling in all the necessary details about the item you're adding. This includes the product name, a description that captures its essence, and, of course, the price. Don't forget to upload an eye-catching photo that accurately represents what customers will receive. A good product image can sometimes make all the difference in encouraging a purchase. After you've filled in all the initial product details, look for the Add Variants option. This is where you can start adding the different sizes you want to offer for this particular product. When adding variants, think carefully about the selection of sizes you provide. You want to ensure that you're catering to your audience's needs effectively, balancing between offering a wide range and not overwhelming your stock management. As you enter each size in the variants section, you'll also need to input the corresponding price for each size. If all sizes are priced the same, this step is relatively straightforward. However, if sizes differ in price, be accurate in your entries to avoid any customer confusion later on. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details and variants you've added, make sure to hit that Save button. Saving your work ensures that all the product and variant information is securely stored and visible to customers when browsing your store. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully added sizes to a product on your Big Cartel website. It's always a good idea to view your store as a customer would just to check that everything appears as you intended. Happy selling, and let's keep that online store thriving.